Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, we are doing a date night shower routine. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is just wash my face with like warm water and just a towel just to just wet my face up. That's the first thing we're going to do before we add any products. Just want to clean my face off and no products necessary at this step. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to use is my Tatcha. If you've seen any of my videos before, then you know that I love Tatcha. If you are new, hello, welcome to my channel. Now let's get started. Okay, so now I have the Tatcha going. I'm just rubbing it in my skin. I like to do the circular motion. Like this is like my hands down favorite cleanser, like favorite cleanser ever. But anyway, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So as you can see, I do have my music going. I'm listening to Tory Lanez for this entire video, but everybody know how YouTube be tripping with the music, so I just wanted to let you guys know what I'm listening to during this process. Alright, first things first, we are using the Aveeno Skin Relief body wash. So the first thing we're going to do is just wet my towel, put the Aveeno on there, and then we're just going to moisturize my body. Well, wash my body, not moisturize first yet. So I'm just getting my underarms, getting my shoulders, just getting my arms, my chest area. Yeah, because this is day night. I want to just feel good. I want to feel soft and clean and moisturized. And this is the first, well, the perfect first step to use. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing. Just scrubbing away. Ooh, ooh. See, shower videos are harder than it actually looks. Like this video was so hard to film. It's a lot of cropping, a lot of editing involved in making these type of videos. So I really do hope that you all enjoy it. But anyway, back to the video. So yeah, I'm just washing my arms, getting my shoulders, getting my underarms. Can't really get my chest area too much because you know YouTube will take this video down. But you know, you get the gist of the video. I'm gonna wash my whole body if this was out off camera, of course. But yeah, so I did take a little bit more Aveeno, and I'm just going to get my underarms specifically. If you guys have seen any of my prior videos, then you know I typically get my underarms waxed along with the Brazilian. I always get that wax. But this time around, it's date night and I just need to freshen up. So I'm going to have to use this little cheap little rinky dinky razor or whatever. So I'm just doing my strokes from, what is it, down to bottom to top? Bottom to top. But you don't do top down. Well, I've done top down when I was young and stupid. I cut my underarms and I had to put on deodorant and it burned. It was a terrible situation. So anyway, I'm just working my way up. So bottom to top. That sounds so weird saying, but that's what I'm doing in this process. So yeah, just getting my underarms because I want to be clean. Like I want to be smooth and soft. I mean, if you like hair, then more power to you. But for me, this is my date night routine, so this is what I'm gonna do. Just making sure everything is smooth and everything is clean and soft and there's no hair. I don't like hair on my body personally unless it's like on my eyebrows and the hair on my head. That's it. So anyway, we just finished shaving, so now we're just wiping away any. You gotta love these little strings with these little tops. Anyway, we're just wiping away any additional soap or any residue that may have been left washing. And I'm just wringing out my towel. Now it's time to switch. Well, not switch. It's time to get the Tatcha off. And as you can see, I have a white towel for my face, and then I use colored towels for my body. I love using white towels for my face because I can see all of the product and all of the dirt and all the grit in it. And all of that, I can just see everything coming off. I don't know why I keep pulling my bonnet. Like my hair is under construction. Like I have a deep conditioner going on. And I'm not going to show you guys that because it's not a hair channel. Like me and hair, I suck at hair. But get behind those ears. We are grown, we is old, and we is going on a day. We need these ears to be clean, okay? Alright, so yes, I'm just getting my face, my chest, and now I'm going to use the strawberry mask. I had to do a lot of cropping with this video, so I'm sorry that you guys can't see it, but this scrub smells amazing. It is so clean, it is so soft, it smells like candy. and it's like an exfoliating mask, so that's what makes it even better. Like, as you can see, I'm rubbing it in. I'm actually scrubbing it on my lips because it's so, I think this is a natural product, or it has like a lot of natural ingredients in there, because like even once I wipe everything off and I like lick my lips are sweet and doesn't have like that chemical taste. So yeah, I just rub the mask in because it's very exfoliating, and then we're just gonna let this sit for maybe 10-15 minutes. It really depends on what I'm doing and when I'm gonna take it off. But yeah, I usually let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing it in, rubbing it all in my face, and then that's that. This stuff is amazing. I will put the link in the description box below. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now we are on the next step. So we are actually going to exfoliate my legs. This is the Dove exfoliating body polish. It smells so good, so refreshing, so soft, so clean. So yes, I just want to exfoliate my legs before I actually shave them. Fun fact, I do not wax my legs because, you know what, it hurts. Waxing hurts, and I cannot take the pain of a leg, like a full leg. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have very long legs. So I don't have time for that. So yes, I'm just going to shave my legs, and I'm doing the same motion that I did with my underarms. So it's working from the bottom all the way up. So yes, we're just working from the bottom all the way up, just long strokes, long smooth strokes. Try not to go too fast, but it's an easy way to cut and injure yourself. And we don't need that for a date night. We just want smooth, clean, soft legs. Well, that's what I want for my date night, me personally. And you know, I got long legs. I want my little boo to just rub on my legs, feel my legs, feel how soft it is. Like, I work hard for this, as you can see this process. Alright, so now that we got my legs all smooth and shaved, I'm just running some warm water down my legs, getting the back of that knee, back area. I don't know what that's called. We're just getting that area too. And now we're just going to do the next leg. So I actually sped up this process because it's actually repetitive. It's the same thing that you just watched. So yeah, we're just doing the same leg. My leg looks so long. It's not even that long for real, but I did it long legs. Alright, so it's been about 10-15 minutes and I'm getting that mask off. As you can see, the little strawberry on the towel. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing away and just looking at my face. It looks so good, just dewy, it's glowing, and it looks so hydrated. Like, this mask is amazing. This is perfect for tonight. This, oh my gosh, just look at my face. And there's no product, there's no makeup, there's no dewy potion. Okay, it's feed time, so you know we gotta clean these intimate areas. Alright, so this is the final step in the actual shower routine. So I am using the Whoosh shower jelly from Lush. So you see I just took a little piece and I just rubbed it, and now I'm putting it all over my body, and it lathers so well. It's not like too much soap, and it's not like not enough suds. Okay, so as you can see, we are all clean. My skin looks moisturized, hydrated, even. It looks good, and that's exactly what I was going for. So now we're actually going to just use two products for my face. So we are using the Versali Glass-like Skin Serum, and then my Watermelon Dewy Skin Moisturizer. Like I said, if you've seen my videos before, then you know the moisturizer that I'm referring to. So usually when I use this Versali serum, I use it underneath my makeup to make like a subtle glow. But for night, well, just for tonight, I'm just gonna use that and then my moisturizer, because you see what it's doing. Like, it's amazing. You don't need to do much once you got that underneath your foundation. Then you put like a highlight on top of it. Your skin is gonna look so healthy. It's gonna be beautiful. Oh my god. But anyway, so now we are getting just one little pump of the moisturizer. So I'm just going to pat it into my skin. I really don't have to do too much because the Versali is doing exactly what I need. So we're just rubbing that in. Don't forget that neck. You gotta get that neck, okay? Oh, this is what happens. I tell you guys, there's a lot of editing that goes with this video. So now we are using just the Dove deodorant. I've tried natural deodorants in the past. It smells so good, but I got like a terrible reaction. So if you have any good natural deodorants, please let me know in the comments below. So now I'm using this cocoa chill oil that I actually got from Pink, and I'm actually surprised about it. Like it has like cannabis or sativa elements in it. I don't know, but it's a great oil. Like, do you see that? This is like a great oil. It's like baby oil, but like without like the baby smell. So it's like bone adult baby oil. It's so moisturizing. It's amazing, and like a little bit goes a long way. So yes, I'm just gonna put this over my arms. Just gonna make sure it is all across my chest, so it's nice and even. And I also just want to make sure I get my shoulders just very soft. So now we're just gonna take some and we're just gonna put it on my legs. I'm just gonna be nice and smooth and moisturized and hydrated. So yeah, just getting all of that. Because I shave my legs, I can have smooth, soft, silky skin anyway. Okay? So yes, let's get that out the leg. You just can't have one leg looking good and one looking crusty and rusty. You see that? Perfect. Like, that's what it's supposed to do. And look at that. We are done. Like, look at that. Smooth, hydrated. I smell so good. Oh my goodness. And we don't even have perfume yet. I smell great. And now look at my skin. But for tonight, I am going to use the Chloe. It's the rose. I forgot the name of it, but it's the Chloe with the pink ribbon, and it's like a rose floral element. I just want to smell clean. Like, oh my god, this Chloe, it smells so good. So I just like dab it on my wrist. Just dab it. I really don't rub. And I get both sides of my neck. And then I like to get the inner thigh as well. And I just rub my thighs together just like that. And we are done. We are ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.